Meet David. David is an Amazon seller that just launched his new product listing. He knows that his product is amazing, but its sales are just disappointing. His competition is making a lot of money on the same exact product. So what is he missing here? Suddenly, David notices that his competition listing images look incredible. David decides to improve his product listing design. That's when David discovers Havana Studio, a top-rated design agency that was created exactly for his Amazon seller needs. Havana Studio offers a 7-image full listing design with a high emotional impact that will amaze his customers and boost his conversion rate. And the best part? Havana Studio's experts can design well-researched infographics and lifestyle images of its product just by using basic information and product photos, even taken by a smartphone. David, a smart seller wanting to make more money with his product, placed an order right away for a new listing design. 7 days later, David got his new images and they look dynamite. Customers are now amazed by David's listing images, and his product generates big dollars every month. David is now financial free and is living his dream life. Be like David. Place an order today and watch your sales skyrocket.